Don't wait to turn back to the Almighty. Do it in these blessed days of Ramadan. The sooner the better. Seek Him. Thank Him, and you are on the road to a better life. It is misconception to wait for things to be perfect before you pray. Things will never be perfect. Start now. When you do things the Almighty's way, you are a winner. Every time, it may not be apparent immediately, but it will surely show up eventually. Shaitan will always enter. Be sure to protect yourself against his whispering. Be strong, remain steadfast, and don't give in. Don't block your blessing by being bitter about someone else's. Keep gratitude alive in your heart. After all, the Almighty has given you more than what you have asked for. With more on the way, recognize that because He can take it away anytime, being grateful will increase it. Life can be short and unpredictable. You need to come to terms with this, and when you finally do, you should give up a lot of the unnecessary stress that you cause for yourself. It also becomes easier to give up all the drama. Let go of prejudice and value and you have in your life. Never say you have nothing to offer someone who down and need help. A listening ear, a word of encouragement, kindness, or even a smile can lift the person out of his doldrum. Be generous with whatever the Almighty has given you, because it will all come back to you one day.